Could you ask for anything better about walking? It's free, it's easy to do, and it's easy on the joints. Also, doubtlessly that walking is good for you. A University of Tennessee study found that women who walked had less muscle-to-fat ratio than the individuals who didn't walk. It also brings down the danger of blood clumps, since the calf goes about as a venous siphon, contracting and siphoning blood from the feet and legs back to the heart, decreasing the heap on the heart. Notwithstanding being an easy high-impact workout, walking is good for you from various perspectives. The benefits of walking: 1. Improves circulation. Walking averts coronary illness, raises the pulse, brings down blood pressure, and reinforces the heart. Postmenopausal women who walk only 1 to 2 miles a day can bring down their blood pressure by almost 11 focuses in 24 weeks. Women who walk 30 minutes a day can diminish their danger of stroke by 20%, and by 40% when they ventured up the movement, as indicated by researchers at the Harvard School of Public Health in Boston. 2. Shore up your bones. Walking can stop the loss of bone mass for those with osteoporosis. One study of postmenopausal women found that 30 minutes of walking every day decreased their danger of hip cracks by 40%. 3. Appreciate a longer life. Research finds that individuals who practice walking routinely in their 50s and 60s are 35% less likely to pass on throughout the following 8 years than their non-walking counterparts. That number shoots up to 45% less likely for individuals who have fundamental health conditions. 4. Help your mood. Walking discharges characteristic pain-killing endorphins to the body. One of the enthusiastic benefits of the activity, a California State University, Long Beach, the study indicated that the more advances individuals took during the day, the better their mindsets were. 5. Get thinner. A lively 30-minute walk consumes 200 calories. After some time, calories consumed can prompt pounds dropped. 6. Reinforce muscles. Walking tones your leg and muscular strength, and even arm muscles if you siphon them as you walk. This expands your scope of movement, shifting the pressure and weight from your joints to your muscles. 7. Improve sleep. Studies found that women, ages 50 to 75, who went for 1-hour morning strolls, were more likely to assuage a sleeping disorder than women who didn't walk.
8. Backing your joints. Most of the joint ligament has no immediate blood flexibly. It gets its sustenance from the joint liquid that flows as we move. Development and pressure from walking crunches the ligament, bringing oxygen and supplements into the region. 9. Improve your breath. When walking, your breathing rate expands, making oxygen travel quicker through the bloodstream, helping to dispose of waste items and improve your vitality level and the capacity to recuperate. 10. Hinder mental decline. A study of 6,000 women, ages 65 and more, found that age-related memory decay was lower in the individuals who walked more. The woman walking 2.5 miles every day had a 17% decrease in memory, as opposed to a 25% decrease in women who walked less than a half mile every week. 11. Lower Alzheimer's risk. A study from the University of Virginia Health System in Charlottesville found that men between the ages of 71 and 93, who walked more than 1/4 of a mile for each day, had a large portion of the occurrence of dementia and Alzheimer's infection than the individuals who walked less. 12. Help out longer. Vigorous walking and obstruction practice projects may diminish the frequency of handicap in the exercises of day-by-day living. For individuals who are more seasoned than 65 and have indicative OA. Last words. If you like the content of this video, then do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.